Hello, welcome back to my tutorial. This is part 4 for Snake game on Java. Okay, for the last video we learned about the clock and how to update the how to separate the time to update the snake. Alright, and for this video I will show you how to draw the board panel. So alright, we go to the board and go to the pen method. You can see in my my old project I already wrote the pen component. So for here I use the pen method, so it's okay, don't worry. You can use pen component or pen method. Right, it's the same. Alright, so for now we will clear this, and I will define some variable for the first one. Yeah, column count, go 25, and row count. This is the number of the column and the number of the row we have on the board. And the tile size equal 20. Okay, so for detail I will explain it to you. So imagine this is the board for the game, and here, so this board just for example, so it's not exactly with the game, don't worry, just for explanation. Alright, and here we have the board with the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 column of row, sorry, 8 column of cow, and 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 row. Alright, and then you have the tile here. Every square here is a tile, and here is the tile size. The width and the height is the same because it's square. Alright, so you know the tile size and the row count and the column count. Now we will go to the pen method and we will draw the line to separate the tile. So you can see we will draw some line, and some line vertical and some line horizontal. So we will have a grid on the board, like I showed you before on my old project. Alright, so to draw the vertical lines and the horizontal lines, we will use the alright. Before we do that, we need to set the color for the lines. The color is dark gray, the same with my old project. And then we will use loop and use x equal 0 and s less than the column count, and s plot plot. And then another loop for the row, we will use y 0 and y less than the row count and y plus plus, right? Sorry. So here we will draw the line. The first one we will draw the horizontal line, the vertical line from the S, and S with the S we will multiple with the tile size, because the S and the Y we just index for the row and the column. So to set exactly the coordination on the board, we need to multiple with the tile size. Alright, and the Y equals 0. The Y for this case is just just a constant, so just S, we will change just S. Okay, same tile size, and the Y here is just the get height of the panel. And yes, before here I need to set the dimension of the size of the panel. Here we need to set the column. For the width we need to set column count multiple with the tile size, and then do the same thing with the height, but now we will use the row count. Alright, so the size of the panel is fixed with the size we need it to be. Alright, so the next one is the horizontal. For the horizontal, now we have the S is a constant from 0, and the second S is also horizontal and equal width. And for the Y now, Y multiple with tile size, and the same with the last parameter. Alright, and let's run it. Okay, now you have the board for the game. Right, you can see here we can change the size of the window. So to prevent change its size, we need to go to call a method, go to the snake game and go to the constructor. Before we pack, we will call the set resizable force liner. Alright, and let's run it again. So now you can see a change sizable on the window when you move to the border, around the border of the window. Alright, so now we have the board, and I will do something more. Maybe I will draw some part of the snake or fruit on the board. Right, to do that we need to define some type of the item on the board. Okay, so let's create a new Java class and define it by the tile type. This is an enum. Alright, so the first one we will define the fruit represent for the thing that the snake can eat. Maybe 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 a foot or something like that. Okay, and the snake body, and the last one is the snake head. All right. And go to the board panel. And define a tile type array for the tile, and go to the game constructor, and set the tile equal new tile with the length equal round, and counter multiple with the column counter. I'm sorry. You can see for right, you can see the board. You can use the matrix with two. Sorry, I can design matrix with two ways, two-way array. But here I use one array with one way for the for the construction of for the for data type. Sorry, for data type, for manage the type on the board. All right, and now we have a type. So we will go to the before we draw the line. So we will draw. Also we will use another the for loop here, and draw tile, and put the alright, just if tile not a no, we will draw the tile. All right, so how we can get the tile here? We will define a tile type get tile, and put the x and y here. Okay, and return the tile with y multiple with round column, so round counter, and plus s tile. And here for that, tile equal get tile, and put s and y here. All right, so before we continue, I will explain is why I write this code. All right, so because we use a one-way array, so we need to imagine that, you know, now you have an array here like this. If you have a matrix with 3 column and 3 row, 3 column and 3 row, and then you for this game I will use an array one way here with the sorry, you can see I separate 2 parts. Every part I have 3 elements. So uh, the total of the element, we have a 9 element, so it's equal with the 9 element of this matrix. You can see here. And if we get the one index first index here, so we have a 1, and if you put s 1 equal, right, so if you put s equal 0 and y, okay, x equal 1 and y equal 0, so for the formula here, you have a y multiple with round count and plus s. So do that, you will have a 1 here. It's also here on the matrix. Okay, and if you put the y equal 1 and the s equal 2, for example, so for the formula you will get the right y equal 1 multiple with 3, and we have a 3, and we plot 2, and we have a 5. 1 okay, 0 1 2 3 3 4 5. So we have an right, we have a 5 here. 5. It's also happen here on the matrix. So I think you can imagine the idea here for the for the code I write here. Alright, just very easy. So for draw tile, I will send the coordination by send the exact coordination to the method, so you can easy to draw it, and just put the tile type, so you can draw exactly what thing we draw on the screen. Alright, and next we will define a method void draw type, and with s y and type type and it's that method. Because we have a 3 type here, so we will use a switch and put the tile here, and we will check case if it a fruit, we will do something, and it is a snake body, we will do something, and if snake head, we will do something. Snake body, capital B. Alright, so for the fruits, we will set the color equal the color green, and then we will fill an oval. Alright, I missed something here. I made the graphic, so I need to send a graphic here for drawing. Right, and here send a parameter graphics. Alright, okay, fill oval, an oval that s and plus 2 and y plus 2, I assign -4 and alright, and the Thai side -4. Okay, so I plus more 2 and -4 to set a bedding for draw the oval to make sure its size less than the tile size. Okay, just simple. And for the snap body, I will set the color orange and set strong here, and fill the rectangle with the S, Y, and the tile side. And for the snake head, maybe when we will write the snake, we will do for it. All right. Okay. So we decided how to draw something on the board. So now we will check the code something, and then we will see how we draw on the board. And the tile in 40, sorry, 1, I will so 40 table fruit, and run it. So you can see I put a fruit here, you can see it, and a snack beyond the, so we have, alright, type and snake body, and a tile, we see it 25 multiple 2 multiple 1 equal 25, and 25 plus multiple 2 and 51 maybe, type Thai snake body. Alright, let's run it. Oh, so here I maybe 49. Okay, so here we have a snake body here. Alright, that's it for this video. And if you like this video, please like and share this video to everyone, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.